Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Samsung Galaxy A13. For that we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's a part of the box. Here has been the phone in, and here we will have where the camera has been, we will have the SIM ejection tool. Okay, just flap the wings and remove it. And otherwise, by the way, you can use of course also the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And below the SIM tray is a small hole in there. And now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip to enter that hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. On this SIM tray, you're able to insert next to the main SIM card also a second one, and if you want also a micro SD card to extend the internal storage. Okay, let's start now with the first SIM card. Place it here in the middle. So with missing corner on missing corner. And the contacts are below. Okay, and if you want, you can add also a second SIM card. It's here at the first position. Also missing corner on missing corner. And the contacts are below as well. Okay, and optional also is, if you want, you can add also a micro SD card to extend the internal storage. Comes at the last position. Okay, this is how it should look like then. And of course you can use also just one SIM card with a micro SD card. And yeah, and the contacts are below. Okay, and after, just put your construction back into the phone, like this. Take care that nothing jumps out, and close it well. And yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or may just subscribe me to don't miss a new video. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.